Hello, and welcome to the Sandburg College Library Searching a Database video. I'm going to show you how to search for scholarly articles in the Gale Academic OneFile database. Let's start on the A to Z databases page to open the database. So my research question is, how do bees work together as a community? I'm going to do a keyword search in the basic search bar for bees. Now, I want you to notice the results bar at the top. This database defaults to academic journals. Next to it is magazines, and onto the other results. Choosing between these results depends on your needs. Does your instructor want peer-reviewed articles for your research? If so, you'll want to stick with academic journals. Now, I want to show you how to limit your results since my keyword search ended with too many articles. And to do this, use the Filter Your Results workspace to the right. The first filter is publication date. Depending on your project, you may want to filter the article results to specific dates. For example, if you're looking for something in the sciences, you may want to filter the dates to the last 5 years. Open the filter and use the calendar helpers to choose your date and year. Next, I'm going to use the subject filter. This list contains subject headings that lets us know what the main topic of the article is. Subject headings are like tags on the internet. They let you know what the main topic of the web page is about. So I'm going to choose bees as my subject filter. Now this is a good time to point out why it wasn't enough to use bees as only a keyword. When the database is doing a keyword search, as I did in the beginning, it's looking for the word in the text and title of the articles. When I choose bees as a subject heading, then the database is looking for what the authors have told us is the main topic of the article. Note that it knocked out a lot of articles using that subject filter. Next, I want to show you the document type. If you find that the results are showing book reviews, author abstracts, or other documents that you may not want, then simply click on the document that you'd like to keep and get those other distractions out of the way. Now, if you know the title of a publication, you can choose that under this publication filter. Keep in mind that sometimes you could find useful articles by looking through these titles and finding a journal that reports specifically on your topic or subtopic. And last is the search within filter. What it's going to do is search for your keyword in the results that you have at the time. For this, I'm going to use community. Now I'm down to 297 results, but I think I can narrow it some more. When I was reading through some of the results before, I noticed that a few articles mentioned the words social behaviors. So I'm going to take out community by clicking the X next to the filter in the applied filter space. And then I'm going to use social behaviors. Now I'm down to 29 articles, and I bet I can find something useful to use here. So go ahead and see what you can find by using the filters. You can't break it, and many times when you're doing research, it's a lot of trial and error. I run into problems too. Rarely do I find exactly what is needed the first time through. Remember that you may need to use different keywords too. Take note of what you've used and try something different if it's not working. This is just a quick overview of searching a database. If you'd like additional assistance, please feel free to contact one of your Sandburg librarians by emailing us at library@sandburg.edu. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day.